Welcome. If you want to stay updated on your outgoing and ongoing calls through the X app on your Android device, enabling notifications is a simple process. This guide will walk you through each step so you never miss an important call alert again. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find this in your app drawer or on your home screen as an icon that looks like a gear. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and select the X app from this list. If you have many apps, you can use the search feature to quickly locate it. After tapping on the X app, you will see its app info page. Here, look for the Notifications option and tap on it to open notification settings specifically for the X app. In the Notifications menu, you want to tap on Notification Categories. This section lets you customize what types of notifications you receive from the app. Now, look for the option labeled Outgoing/Ongoing Calls. Toggle this option to the on position. With this enabled, you will start receiving notifications whenever you make an outgoing call or have an ongoing call through the X app. That's all it takes. By following these steps, your device will alert you about outgoing and ongoing calls in the X app, making sure you're always connected and informed. Feel free to explore additional notification settings within the X app if you want to adjust sounds, vibration, or how the notifications appear on your screen. Thanks for following along.